Guys, I got the old cheap Harbor Freight tarp laid out across the garage floor, and that means something major is about to go down with JJ. I'll tell you about it in a minute. Alright guys, so JJ, I've been chasing down that engine noise. I replaced the timing chain, which helped tremendously. And that sound in the video that I did the timing chain in, it'll be right here. I just think you can probably hear it on the camera pretty good. It's pretty loud. Y'all remember that sound? It kind of went away. Well, it's come back. And now I realize that it's an engine knock, and I haven't ran JJ in a week. So I'm gonna pull the engine. I'm gonna send it to the machine shop, and we're gonna rebuild JJ. I've had people ask me, was I gonna put an LS motor in it? Was I gonna put a 4.0 in it? I'm not going to. I need to get this back on the road as soon as possible. And even if I had a 4.0 engine, you got to change the whole wiring harness. You got to change the computer. There's lots of things that can cause you trouble. And I know you don't have the funds to do the LS swap, which is the same set of circumstances. So let me crank this thing up and let you hear what it's doing. Yeah, something has went majorly wrong. Got 214,000 miles on them, or close to it. Let's see here. 213,996. 4 more miles, you have 214,000 miles. So I'm gonna get him up there in the garage, and we're gonna start taking this engine out. Well, this is where he's gonna be living for the next week or two, I would guess. It's gonna take me a little while. My brother's gonna help me pull this engine. I want to try to loosen everything up and try to get everything out of the way, and maybe we'll pull the engine tomorrow. But anyway, I'll just let the camera roll. There's a lot of tutorials on YouTube about how to remove these engines, and if I find any kind of tips or tricks, I'll stop the video and explain those. But let's get to it. Well, we finally got JJ's motor out. It was pretty time consuming getting it out. These little 4-bangers, they're not very big when you get them out. They're pretty small. Got everything off of it so I can get it out of the engine bay. I'm probably going to change the water pump, get me another water pump. I'm not going to buy a new timing chain because timing chain and gears are brand new. Y'all have seen my recent video on that. But I got to get all these peripherals off so I can get the engine block tore down and get it to the machine shop. And guys, I thank y'all for watching today, and y'all come back next time and we'll see what we got going then.
Yeah.